Hi guys, this is a short video about Microsoft Clipchamp. Sometimes when we process videos using this software, it freezes, and especially when you put this software or application in the background and you want to work on some other applications in your laptop or computer, then in the background it does not work and it often shows like it is analyzing video for a few hours, then it changes to weeks. In fact, when I was processing the video, it showed me an error, or I should not say error, but it showed me like this notification that analyzing the video and it will take a month. It was a long time. So I found a fix for that. Before telling you about the fix, this channel is actually for uploading the videos for educational purposes, and you may see other videos for that. So if you are here and you are looking for some videos or lectures related to engineering, then don't hesitate to subscribe my channel. And let's go and find the fix for this issue. So the fix is actually really simple because this Microsoft Clipchamp does not work in the background. So we simply have to change some settings for that. You need to go to settings. So click start, go to setting, right? Wait a second, the settings is on my extended screen. So let me bring it over here. So yeah, you need to click on start, then go to settings, then you have to go to system, then you have to go to this storage, right? It will ask you this, that do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? So yes, we want to do that. Then you have to go to this installed app, right? And then find Microsoft Clipchamp over here, right? So after that, you need to click these three dots next to this size of the software and then click advanced option. So when you click advanced option, you will see this option background app permission. So previously for me, it was power optimized. So I believe this was the reason it was not working in the background. So I changed this to always. And I believe this will fix the problem for most of you guys. If it still does not work, you need to come down over here and find this reset option so you can repair it and then try to use Microsoft Clipchamp. Once again, I think the previous setting, this always will fix the problem. But if it does not, then this repair should fix any bugs in this software. Okay. And if it still does not do that, then I believe resetting the app using this option of reset will help you with that. But remember to keep this setting to always. If you are doing like multiple tasks and want to process the video in the background while working on something else. So keep this to always, and I believe this will fix the problem for you because it fixed it for me. So good luck with that, and let me know in the comments that did it help you or not. Thank you and have a good day.